Hello, class 9th. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 15, hygiene, control of disease carrier. Okay, now today's topic is control of disease carriers. As you know, disease carriers are housefly and mosquitoes, which carries diseases from one place to another, or from unhealthy person to the healthy person. Okay, and these are called vectors. Disease carriers are called vectors. What are vectors? Vectors is any agent that act as an intermediate carrier of the pathogen. What are vectors? Vectors is any agent that act as an intermediate carrier uh, of the pathogen. Many insects and other animals, okay, animal spread diseases. Steps should be taken to control to eradicate them. Control of housefly, mosquito and cockroach should be given maximum priority. These three are considered the worst public enemies. First one, housefly. Biological name Musca domestica. Musca domestica. And second one, mosquito, three species, and Culex, Anopheles and Aedes. Or now next one, that is cockroaches, that is Periplaneta americana. What is the name? Periplaneta americana. First, now start with this housefly. As you know, housefly is a kind of natural scavengers. Is a kind of natural scavenger, cleaning and consuming the leftover of the food. But the dangers which the housefly poses to man life is so serious that is often designated as public enemy number one. That is public enemy number one. It spread numerous diseases including dysentery, cholera and typhoid. Dysentery, cholera and typhoid. The manner in which the housefly spread diseases. First one, that is hairy body and legs pick up pith, and legs picks up filth. Okay, legs pick up filth. Now first point, how in which the housefly spread diseases. The body and especially the leg are hairy and spiny. They easily pick up filth containing germs and from dirty places. Such flies contaminate our food by sitting on it, and our resting housefly always keep on rubbing its leg against themselves and over the body, thus dropping particles of filth. Now second one, that is pouring out saliva. That is pouring out saliva. Food is also contaminated with germs when the housefly moistens a food stuff by pouring out its saliva on it, or when it vomits or regurgitates food which it has fallen from the dirty places. And third one is excreta. It deposits its excreta while it feeds and thus contaminates human food. Next, direct transmission of the germ. Fourth one, direct transmission. Direct transmission, sometimes it directly convey the infection. For example, germs of trachoma, disease of the eye, are directly transferred when the fly which once settled in the infected eye of a patient next time sit on the eyes of the healthy person. ठीक है, कभी कभी किसी को ट्रैकोमा होता है तो उसकी आईज पे अगर हाउस फ्लाई बैठती है फिर जाके किसी हेल्दी पर्सन की आईज पे बैठ जाती है. दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट ट्रांसमिशन. ओके, ना कंट्रोल ऑफ द हाउस फ्लाई, दिस इज द वेज. ठीक है, वो कैसे डिजीज फैला रही है. नाउ सेकेंड वन, दैट इज कंट्रोल ऑफ द हाउस फ्लाई, कि अब हम हाउस फ्लाई को कंट्रोल कैसे करेंगे. सेकेंड पॉइंट, कंट्रोल ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई जैसे इंसेक्ट, ठीक है, ट्रैप्स होंगे, डोर नेट्स होंगी, ब्रीडिंग प्लेसेस का एलिमिनेशन होगा. कंट्रोल ऑफ द हाउस फ्लाई, कंट्रोल ऑफ द हाउस फ्लाई. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ ब्रीडिंग प्लेस. एलिमिनेशन, ब्रीडिंग प्लेस ही नहीं होगा तो वहां पे ब्रीड नहीं करेंगी तो आगे जनरेशन नहीं होगी. एलिमिनेशन ऑफ द elimination of the breeding place. Elimination of the breeding place means all refuses from the houses and all animals and human excreta should be removed at regular and frequent intervals and it was disposed of in such a way that the flies cannot breed on it. If the refuses be covered by a layer of earth, enough heat is produced in the it by decomposition which is sufficient to kill the maggots. Maggots are the larval stages of this housefly, maggots, if any. Now second one is spraying. That is spraying. Houses and breeding places should be sprayed with DDT and other insecticide. What is the full form of DDT? Dichlorodioxane trichlorobenzene. Okay, now next one, avoidance. Third one, avoidance. Flies should be kept well protected and covered. Flies should not be allowed to sit on the body. Sleeping baby should be protected by baby umbrellas. Okay, that is avoidance. आप उसको आने ही नहीं दीजिए. Means the food should be kept well protected and covered. Flies should not be allowed to sit on the body. Sleeping baby should be protected by baby umbrellas. Now next one, mosquito. Second vector in your syllabus, that is mosquito. Mosquitoes. Okay, and diseases. There are three type of mosquitoes. First one, Anopheles. Anopheles mosquito which spread malaria. In man and monkeys and bird. A malaria germ is a protozoan, that is Plasmodium. Malaria is caused by this germ, that is Plasmodium. It is a parasite. It is a protozoan. It is a protozoan parasite. Now second one is Culex mosquito which cause filariasis. That is called filariasis or also called elephantiasis. Also called elephantiasis, caused by the nematode Wuchereria branchofti. Caused by the nematode Wuchereria branchofti. Now third one, that is Aedes aegypti. Aedes aegypti, it spread yellow fever and dengue. It spread yellow fever and dengue. Okay, now mosquitoes are of three types: Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Okay, now mosquitoes are of three types: Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Culex mosquito spread elephantiasis, malaria and also called filariasis. This is caused by the pathogen, that is Wuchereria branchofti. It is a type of nematode. Now first one, that is Anopheles. Anopheles mosquito spread malaria in man, monkey and bird. The malaria germ is a Plasmodium. It is a type of parasite of protozoan. And third one, that is Aedes aegypti. Spread yellow fever and dengue, both caused by their respective viruses. Both are caused by dengue and yellow fever caused by viruses. Okay. Now next one, as you know, the germ of these diseases are spread when the mosquito bite to suck blood, and with this blood the mosquito receive germs of the particular disease which grow and multiply within their body. When such infected mosquito bite a healthy person, these germs are introduced into his body through the saliva. Before sucking blood, the mosquito first injects its saliva into the skin, which contains a substance that prevents the clotting of blood to facilitate suction. Now, next topic, that is control of mosquitoes. Next one, कंट्रोल ऑफ मॉस्किटो, कि आप मॉस्किटो को कैसे कंट्रोल करेंगे, स्प्रेड को. कंट्रोल ऑफ मॉस्किटो. कंट्रोल ऑफ मॉस्किटो, फर्स्ट वन दैट इज स्प्रेइंग. That is spraying. Several steps recommended. Okay, first one that is spraying. Adult mosquito should be destroyed by the spraying DDT and other insecticide in dwelling places. Spraying on pond and marshy places kill the life history of stages. And the second one that is elimination of the breeding places. Elimination of the breeding places. Breeding places should be destroyed. Small ponds and puddles should be filled up. And third one that is spraying on stagnant water. Spraying on stagnant water. Kerosene or some other greasy oil should be poured over the water to make it a thin film on the surface. The oil kills the larvae and pupae when they come to breathe on the surface. And the fourth one that is biological control. Biological control. Certain fishes such as Gomsa, that is Gambusa, this fish used to kill the mosquito larvae. They selective devour mosquito larvae. Certain fishes such as Gambusia should be introduced into the pond. Now next one that is the third vector, that is cockroach. Third vector, first one is housefly, second one is mosquito. Now third one that is that is cockroach. That is cockroaches, very common household insect, breeding mostly in the connective manholes and swellers. They extended their activities to kitchen, cupboards and wardrobes. They eat and spoil food, paper and cloth. They are also suspected to be carrier of certain viral diseases, including possibly a cancer-causing virus, and spraying DDT and other insecticide in their breeding places is an effective method of control. Now next one, name of this cockroach is Periplaneta americana. Now next one, rat. It is also a vector, but it is under the rodent. But it is classified under the rodents. Okay, economically harm करता है. Rodents में आपके क्या क्या आते हैं? Squirrel, rat. Okay, rats are serious domestic pest. It is a domestic pest. Beside eating grains and other food, they also spread germs of certain diseases. Rat flea, well-known name.